Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is baked macaroni. Okay? First thing what we are going to do, I've got the kettle in here. We're gonna turn that on. So we will do some beef stock when it's ready. Then I've got 4 eggs in here. We're gonna turn that on as well. Then I've got the water for the pasta with salt. We're going to turn that on. And I've got another pot in here. We're going to turn that on too, on a medium to high heat. And I'm going to add some oil. So this pot is to cook the minced beef. As you can see, I've already heated up the water through, so it doesn't take much time to heat up. Another thing that I want to tell you is that, as you can see, this recipe involves a lot of pots on the stove at the same time. So please do plan before how you're going to organize the stove. Okay, then what we're going to do, I've got some minced beef in here. I'm going to put it in there. And I'm going to add some bay leaf and some rosemary and thyme in there. In the meantime, what we are going to do, I've got 2 onions in here. We are going to peel them and we're going to chop them and put them with the minced beef. That's the kettle. I can turn that off for now. We can leave it in there. The reason why I do the chopped onion and garlic with the minced beef, I mean, instead of I cook them before, I cook them with the minced beef, is this way the flavors of the onion and the garlic, they go straight with the minced beef. So I'm going to quickly chop the onion. In the meantime, I'm checking the water of the pasta, which I put some salt as well. Just quickly chop the onion, and like I said, I'm gonna add the onion with the minced beef. Then we're gonna add the garlic, some tomato puree, some beef stock, and we'll let the minced beef cooking. Now the water is boiling. We are going to drop in the pasta in there, and as soon as we drop the pasta, I'm going to quickly cover the pot so that way the water comes quickly to the boil. Now, when it comes to cooking the pasta, always read the instructions on the packet. And this way I'm going to cook it like 4 minutes less than it says on the packet. Now, what we're going to do, I've got some garlic peeled already. I'm going to pick up 4 or 5 cloves in there. And I'm going to give them a quickly chop. And again, I'm going to add them with the minced beef. So there is the garlic, goes in there. Then, in about a minute or so, we will add the tomato puree. And then we will add the stock, which we're going to do now. The pasta now is boiling. There you go. And we're going to give it a stir in there. So, we've got the pasta cooking, the beef going, the eggs going. I'm going to pour in the water in there. I've got already the cubes inside, some beef cubes. We're going to give it a good stir in there. We're going to leave it for now in there. So, now we're going to add the tomato puree in there to give us that nice color. And we're going to cook it for about a minute or so. Then we will add the stock, and then we will mix everything with the pasta. I'm going to move the eggs on the other side so they will cook quicker. Now for the eggs, as soon as it comes to the boil, I let them for 4 minutes and I turn them off. So then we will peel them, and again we're going to mix everything with the pasta. Now, I'm going to leave this minced beef cooking for now. What we're going to do, I've got a baking dish in here. And what we're going to do, I'm going to butter the baking dish. Like that. So it will be ready. So the pasta and the mix doesn't stick to our baking tray. So that is ready in there. Now, what we're going to do, this is cooking, look at that, beautiful. Okay, we're going to add the beef now, stock, in there. And we're going to let that cook nicely until the pasta is ready. Now, this is boiling, the eggs. Okay? Beautiful. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the oven on. On mark number 7. That is equivalent to 190 to 200 degrees Celsius. Now check. So that is on. Beautiful. Beautiful. So now we're going to crack the eggs. I've got 6 eggs. I'm going to crack them in here. So later on, this will go with the pasta as well. Oopsie. So I'm going to give them a lightly beat. And we'll put them on the side for now. Beautiful. So the eggs is ready. Amazing. Now the pasta should be ready. I am going to drain the pasta and I'm going to put it straight back to the pot. So now we've got the pasta. Now I'm going to drop the pasta in there. I'm going to turn the beef off and I'm going to drop in the beef with the pasta. In there. The eggs should be done. I'm going to turn that off. Cool them, peel them. We're going to chop them and we're going to add them with this beautiful mix in here. So now, after I refresh the eggs and peel them, we're going to chop the eggs and we will add the eggs with the pasta and beef and the minced beef in here. Okay? Then what we're going to do, going to give it a slightly mix in there, and we're going to add the eggs and the cheese as well. In fact, we're going to add the cheese first in there. I'm using some Parmesan cheese. Mix it. Can remove the bay leaves now, if you see them. Beautiful. And we're going to add the eggs too. But be careful, let them a little bit, mix it up. That's why I am mixing up. So it will kind of not be that hot. Otherwise, we will have the scrambled egg. Now we will add the eggs. Again, a good beautiful. And look at that. A good stir, and we need to give it a good seasoning as well. Give it a good old mix, and we're gonna cook this in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna drop in there. And we're gonna cook this in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So now, after 45 minutes, what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn off the oven. I'm gonna take this beautiful macaroni out, and we can serve. But if you like, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes under the grill. This is only if you like. After 2 minutes under the grill, I'm gonna turn off the grill, and look at that. We are going to serve this beautiful macaroni cheese. Remember, just coming from the oven. So it's hot. Look at that. There you go. And here you have it. Baked macaroni. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.